Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Debbie Chu. I'm a plant-based RN and this is my channel, Chew on Vegan. If you're looking for an easy, delicious meal for women that are in menopause or postmenopausal, then you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to be making a menopause friendly power bowl. It's going to be full of fiber and protein and perfect for this time of your life. It's also whole food, plant-based, no oil, gluten-free. Before we jump into the recipe, I just want to remind you that my first ever cookbook is still on sale. It'll be on sale until midnight, December 1st, Pacific Standard Time. And I also have my digital course on sale till December 1st at midnight. And my digital course is 50% off, so if you've been looking to buy it, now is the time. And it's going to teach you how to live this plant-based lifestyle. Going to give you strategies, tips, and tricks. There's a lot of information in there, so I hope you check it out. All the links will be down below along with the full recipe. All right, let's get started on this bowl. So before we put the bowl together, I'm going to make the dressing, and this is a lemony tahini maple dressing. Very simple to make. Of course, we're going to start with some tahini. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons. And this is just going to all go into this bowl. Two tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to add in a little garlic powder. If you want to do like a clove of garlic mince, you could do that as well. So just about a 1/4 teaspoon, less if you don't want it as garlicky. And then some maple syrup. So we want to add a little sweetness, it'll help balance everything out. Just 1 tablespoon. And then this is optional, I'm going to do a pinch of salt. Now we're just going to whisk this up. And then I have some water, so I'm going to add some water just to thin it out until I get the consistency that I like. And that's totally up to you. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I think I added about 2 tablespoons of water. All right, now we can put our bowl together. We're gonna start with some quinoa, and I like to mix it with my rice. And we're using quinoa because it's a fantastic plant-based protein with magnesium, and this helps to support bone health and fight fatigue. You could swap it out for brown rice or millet if you want, but I'm gonna stick with this combo. Then I have some roasted chickpeas. These are crunchy, satisfying, they're loaded with fiber and plant protein. I season these with smoked paprika, garlic powder, and then I just pop them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. So we're going to put some of those on the plate. Then we're going to add in some veggies. So I've got some steamed broccoli here, and then I've also got some yummy purple sweet potatoes, and this I had baked earlier and I just popped them in with the chickpeas to get them a little crispy. So we're going to add some of those onto the plate, and then the broccoli, and I'm going to add a few more chickpeas on there. And these are great, the veggies and the sweet potatoes, because they're rich with vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. Look at the color on the sweet potato. It is beautiful. Then I'm going to add a few pumpkin seeds, and these are rich in zinc, and it's going to give us a little bit more fiber, a little bit more protein, but I just like to add a few of these in just for different textures. And then I've got some hemp hearts, and these are great for your omega-3s and 6s. So we're just going to sprinkle some of those on there. And these also have fiber and protein. All right, I'm gonna go grab our dressing and we'll drizzle some of that on top. And you know, tahini and the hemp hearts too, they all have nice healthy fats for you. So we'll just add some of this on here. And if you want another kind of a dressing, you can use whatever kind you want, but I just think this is a good addition to this dish. And here's our Menopause Friendly Power Bowl. It's packed with protein and it's oil free. So let's give it a taste. All right, let's give it a taste. Get a little bit of quinoa and the tahini, some chickpeas. That dressing's really nice. It's lemony, it's a little tangy, a little bit sweet. It's really delicious. So this bowl isn't just pretty, it's a nutritional powerhouse. The quinoa and the chickpeas provide protein and fiber to keep you full longer, while the veggies and the toppings support hormone health, energy levels, and heart health. It's the perfect meal for this stage of life. So if you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And just a reminder that my first ever cookbook is still on sale through December 1st. The link will be down below so you can check it out. And also my digital course is on sale for this Black Friday weekend, and it's 50% off, and that will go through midnight December 1st, Pacific Standard Time. So if you've been wanting to get my course, this is the time to get it. I only put it on sale a couple times a year. Black Friday is one of them, and then maybe one other time during the year. So now's the time to jump on that, and the link for that will be down below. If you made it this far in the video, please comment below with Powerhouse, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. Remember, all my meals are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.